All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa community. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. The support that you guys are showing is just literally out of this world. Appreciate it. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But you guys know what time it is. This right here is the first update of the month of November for Kaspa. So let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the board, we actually did see Bitcoin see a little bit of a minor pullback, which obviously taken the entire market down with it. But if you're looking at Kaspa, which is absolutely crazy to see right now, Kaspa is actually one of the very few coins up 2.8%. And I'm sure a lot of people that are part of the Kaspa community that have been, paying attention to my channel over the course of the last 2 months, we know one specific thing about Kaspa, and that is that Kaspa has been seeing significant lag against the broader market. But are we about to see a switch happen? Even though, the US elections are coming up, you're actually seeing Kaspa up 3.1% while the broader market is down due to Bitcoin. So are whales or maybe investors seeing an opportunity in Kaspa? Hence, you are seeing the price up right now by 3.1%. Maybe that could be a reality, to be quite frank with you, but we still need confirmations. Well, let's take a closer look and see what is happening. But as I said, before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So price is currently sitting at 11.63, if you want to just put it at that. Not down, it's actually up 3.2% in USD comparative, but forget about the USD comparative right now. You're seeing in Bitcoin comparative, Kaspa is up 7.3%, and the market cap is at about 2.9 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume at about $99.4 million. And people are so quick to jump to conclusions. People start speculating whether or not it's big exchanges purchasing, or it's just some news that is not announced. From what I'm currently seeing is maybe people just see that the value for Kaspa right now, where it's at, is lower as to where they anticipate the price should be. And to be quite frank with you, we're approaching almost 3 months of the price of Kaspa in a complete lag against the broader market. So we still obviously need confirmations in order for us to see whether or not exchanges are finally going to list this. But at the end of the day, this is worthwhile noting: the fact that it's one of the very few coins that is remaining to be in the green. But like I said earlier, confirmation is what you need, and we're going to look at those confirmations. But if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance is still above 60%. So let's face that. Even though you saw a little bit of a minor pullback in the dominance index, that means nothing. Dominance is still on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. Looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin did start off the month on a little bit of a negative note, has seen a little bit of a retracement. Remember, it's the election month, a lot of uncertainty, and maybe the sell the news event could honestly take place. So right now, obviously, Bitcoin is sitting at $69,484. If this support does not hold, I did state this in the SUI update, a potential retest down to $66,500 will not come as a shock to me at all. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. And I honestly think that could be a reality if we lose this support. So tomorrow, which of course is today, as of recording this update, it's really late here in North America, depending where you are. But we're going to really understand how the price of Bitcoin closes today. And I think it's going to really, kind of give us an understanding whether or not we're going to see upper moves or a downside in the upcoming, days ahead of us. And of course, leading to the US elections coming up next week. So with that said, if you're looking at Kaspa, Kaspa is holding quite well. There's no secret at that point right now. But like I said, the confirmation that you really need is, first and foremost, you want to see the price of Kaspa sitting above 13.5 cents. And not only that, the 78.6 is where I would like to see the price of Kaspa sitting at. But, if it's even able to claim back above 13.5 cents, I think that would be a big move for Kaspa with this current momentum that it has. So that's only a 15.5% move. If Kaspa is able to get above this, I think this kind of puts the price of Kaspa still in this upward trajectory. And believe it or not, you actually still haven't seen, even though we have come very, very close to have this upwards trajectory get invalidated, you actually still did not see that happening for good. So are we about to see a complete shift occurring? I will kind of want to take you guys back down memory lane. From the February all-time high, you did see a pullback of 46% for Kaspa. And I'm sure I've kind of shared this with you guys in the past updates as well. And of course, from the November 18th, which was almost a year ago, from 15.5 cents, we actually saw another 40% pullback. So this time around, if you measure the pullback from the July high all the way down, that literally puts us at a 48% pullback. So is this pullback over? Are we about to see a new upward trajectory forming for Kaspa? Possibly, possibly. But of course, we're also very, very close to some danger zones. But if the price of Kaspa is able to claim above this key resistance at 13.5 cents, I think we could actually be in for some exciting times ahead for us. And maybe we finally start talking a little bit bullish in the immediate term. But right now, the U.S. elections are coming. So the chances of us invalidating this upward trajectory are still there. But I would be really, really surprised if the price of Kaspa is able to make its way back above this key resistance in the next few days to come before the election. If it's able to do that, I think that is a good sign. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with the overall analysis? What are your personal projections regarding Kaspa? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.